Apple just announced macOS 26, and in this video we are going to learn how to install the developer beta of macOS. The process is fairly simple, very straightforward, and yes, you have to keep a few things in mind. The first one is going to be go to settings, and in settings, while you're in general, scroll down till you see time machine, and using time machine, do add a disk and take backup of your data. You can also take backup in a general external hard drive, so that in case you lose your data or the Mac OS is facing issues, you can just use that hard drive instead. Secondly, this is a beta version. So the first step would be to go to the browser, and in browser you want to type in beta.apple.com. And now that you're on this site, scroll down till you see sign up, and here you can see you can learn about all these releases as well: iPadOS 26, macOS Tahoe 26, tvOS, and everything. Let's click on sign up. By the way, if you don't know what is new in macOS, I have already made a video on it. Go ahead and check that out. So here I'm going to sign in. I'm going to agree with the license agreement and scroll down. So here you can see Apple beta software program is now available for macOS Sequoia. If you're a new member, enroll on your Mac. So click on enroll on your Mac. So here it says backup your Mac using Time Machine, which I've already told you. And then we want to turn on beta updates. So here click on open software updates. It will take you to system settings. Basically, you can also go to this menu from general and software updates. And here you can see beta updates is currently off. Click on the I button over here. And here you can see beta updates are off. And we are going to go to macOS Tahoe 26 developer beta, and here we also have two Sequoia updates available. So again, the developer beta and the public beta, we don't want that. We want the Tahoe beta because that is the main new one. Click on done, and here it's going to check for updates. Now it's going to look for updates and try downloading it as well. So we'll wait till it starts downloading. So here you can see we now have the macOS 26 beta. So it is about 7.05 GB. You have two updates: upgrade now or upgrade tonight. I'm going to upgrade it now. So click on now and agree to the license agreement as well. If you want, you can go through it once and put in your password. And we have successfully started downloading macOS 26 beta. So here you can see the download size has gone up from 7 GB to 14.3 GB. So we are going to let that download, and I'll come back when the download is almost finished. So as you can see, guys, we are now installing the update. The update has been downloaded. It was about 14.35 GB, which is quite a large update. If you're not on an administrator account, you will have to put in the admin user and password.
A few moments later.
And then click on. So as you can see here, guys, I have installed the update. It could be a bit time consuming depending on your internet. Secondly, it is rather a large update. So here you can see we have feedback assistant as soon as we sign in. I'm good with not working with it now. So here you can see even my icons on the dock have changed. So if I open up settings, for example, if I want to go to settings, I'm going to go to spotlight. And here you can see a lot of things have changed. A glass like UI has appeared, so that is great. So the next video I will be making would also be about macOS Tahoe. Let me know what you would like to see about it in the comments below, and this video will definitely come out soon. See you in the next video.